Okay, here's the deal. It's Matt, me, and Billy, and Jody, and apparently it's lightning out, and I'm gonna go show all you cockbeggars what it's like. If I had a metal rod, I'd stand outside like Benjamin Franklin. What? Fuck me! Woo! Look at the modem, it's off. Hey, you guys want to close your windows in your car?
What?
You want to close your windows in your car?
Cut the wire.
I am. I'm an asshole. No. Yes! My cane. But it's got rubber on it, so it will ground me. I don't know. It's the first disc. I feel the train a coming. Think so. Yeah. I hear sirens. Yeah. I hear a siren coming.